What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Q2 Times checking in with another video here with Ivy Kennels. It's been a long time, but guess what? We back. The weather's feeling good. We back outside with them dogs today. I only got one dog outside with me. We at the dog park, and that's tight. You already know what's going on. We about to get straight into the video, turn this camera around, and get straight into it. Let's go. Also, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on all post notifications, because y'all don't want to miss out. Let's go. Why you all on my back like I got something for you? That ain't nothing but your collar. Your leash, rather. I ain't got no ball. Come on, Titan. Go get them deer. That's what you do. Go bark at them deers all the way over there. What's up? Son, I don't have nothing. Oh, can't walk up there. Titan, chill out. I don't have no ball. Your ball is in the car. Fat man. He think I got a ball. I don't have no ball, dude. Up. Come on. Up here. Up. Come on. Get down off me. Get up here. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Sit. Wait. What's up, handsome guy? Let the people see you. Yeah. What's up, big dude? Sit down. You all right? Them deer is waiting on you. Come on, let's go mess with them deer. I don't have a ball, dude. Relax. Daddy do not have a ball. He is so hyper. Look at these deer. It's a whole bunch of them. You want to play? Move. Gave him something to play with. Why I come over here and check on these deer? Look at him. Got one right there like he ready to attack something. Get your ass bit up. Move, dude. Excuse me. That boy be ready to play around. You threw it at me? Come on, man. He don't care what it is. A stick, a ball, a toy. He gonna wanna play fetch with it. You ain't got no water. I hope you know that. You ain't got no sit. What'd I say? Sit down. My damn back hurting from work. They posted waiting on you, so something. Just gonna let him run around. Let him do what he gonna do. Found it. It took you a little minute, but you found it. Go get it. I'm not about to get up. Go get it. Go get it. I see it right there. You better, nope. You better go get it, big boy. I'm not getting up. You better go get it. You want some water? Get down, dude. He want me to get up. I ain't getting up. My back hurt. You better bring it to me. Go get it. Go get it. Bring it here. Get out my face, dude. Always on my face. Move. Excuse me. Son, move. Wait. Can't even throw it for real. My damn back hurt. That's another reason why I ain't been dropping no videos. Cause I'm getting old. I can't be pulling on them, pulling with them no more. Dragging them around no more. I can't be doing none of that. My damn back messed up. But we outside with them today. Come on, son, down. Where that? You got me all dirty and shit. Come on. It's my last one. You hear me? It's my last one because daddy back hurt. He gonna force me to play with him. What's up, big man? Come on, last one. I mean that. Move. It's the last one, dude. I'm trying to throw that bitch over the gate. That piece of wood ain't doing nothing. Look at him. Look at that boy. All right, come on, let's ride. I just wanted to get you out the house today. I swear you so spoiled, dude. It's all gone, big dude. You good? But like I was just saying, I ain't been making no videos because my back messed up. We got the other channel going. I can't be out here playing around, pulling around with them like I used to. Can't do it. Back messed up after my accident. Y'all know how that go or whatnot. I'm about to put him, see if I can get up out of here. Yes, I can. Gotta put him on that leash. So all them deers over there watching him. Come here. Thank you, big dude. I ain't even gotta tell that bitch. That boy gonna sit there and wait on me. Come on, big dude. Let's ride. Ooh. But like I was saying, if y'all not hip, go ahead and subscribe to the BBS Productions channel. We got a lot of content going on over there. Most definitely do. We dropping over there on the regular. I just dropped a new video over there at 2 o'clock. So if y'all ain't hip to that, go ahead and look at that. You know what I'm saying? Hit that like button, subscribe to that channel. Need y'all to, let's run it up. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. I decided to bring Titan outside just to let him get out the house. Cause the weather up here has been crazy all over the place. Not consistent. We've been having, only thing consistent we've been having on the weather side is rain. Other than that, today is the first beautiful day. Y'all see them clouds looking crazy behind us? 70-something degrees today. Still got that hoodie on, for sure. That hoodie ain't coming off till that weather more consistent. I'm about to go ahead and walk him, turn y'all back on in a second. I ain't shot a video with y'all in so long, making it so big. Look at the puppies. Huge. Huge. Yeah, it's been a nice little minute. Titan still looking oh so good. Look at that boy, Deuce. Look at Gucci. Yeah, they looking oh so good.